Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sukarjo. I'm from National Research and Innovation Agency. The purpose of the presentation is to discuss my paper with the title Ecological Risk Assessment and Spatial Distribution of some heavy metal of agricultural soil in the Nganjuk Regency, Indonesia. As we know that heavy metal are non-biodegradable, persistent, and toxic. Pollution and metal accumulation in agricultural soil has recently become a global issue. Metal accumulation poses a major threat to human and animal health, as well as soil and water ecosystem. Accumulation of heavy metal in agricultural soil can cause health problems throughout the food chain. So the study aimed to determine the spatial distribution of contaminant on agricultural land in Nganjuk Regency and investigate the ecological threat and origin of heavy metal in paddy field. Look at the picture, we can see the soil sampling sites. Determination of the location of soil sampling using the grid method. Soil sample will taken using the survey method at 105 location. In the soil sample, the metal content of lead, cadmium, chromium, cobalt, arsenic, and nickel was measured. Measurement of metal content follow the method developed by Eviati and Sulaiman and Sise et al. For the analysis, we use 6 indicator environmental assessment, 3 statistical analysis, and spatial analysis. We can see the parameter equation and category of assessment indicator in the table. The result of the analysis we can see in table. The Kolmogorov-Smirnov test that all of the parameters follow a normal distribution. The average metal content in soil from biggest to smallest are lead, cobalt, nickel, chromium, arsenic, and cadmium. We can see that lead and cadmium average more than the reference. The issue for cadmium value, the result that the samples contain a high cadmium concentration. Cadmium has the highest average ecological risk index. Validates the issue index results. The ecological risk index indicates that agricultural land is classified as low ecological risk. The main PI for cadmium indicated that most of the topsoil sample were moderate until highly contaminated with cadmium. The PI value for lead, cobalt, and arsenic indicate some samples were moderate contaminated. PLE value less than 1, so that 100% is low contamination level. IPI value 28.6% is moderate level and low level in the others. See in the figure 2, the composition of the examined metals may be categorized into 2 groups, which account for 79% of the total variation. From the correlation analysis, we can see that the strongest positive correlation determine that the metal related to each other mean to have some source of contamination. Chromium and arsenic, less than reference, mean to come from natural sources. We can see the map, the distribution pattern of lead, cadmium, cobalt, and nickel. The distribution pattern is same. The distribution pattern of chromium reveal that two locations have a higher concentration than others. The distribution pattern of arsenic seem to have a higher concentration in the middle at 5 different places. The conclusion of this research are the mean value for cadmium was higher than the Becquerel concentration. This discovery has a significant impact on the general public health. The data shows that geogenic and anthropogenic factors contributed to the overall amount of metal in agricultural soil sample. The result of statistical and spatial analysis of metal all point to the fact that human activities are the most significant source of cadmium pollution. On the other contrary, the origin of the content of other metal is attributed to lithogenic processes. Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.